like to welcome you here. We'd like to actually start this evening by saying thank you. A very big thank you going out to all of you all for making the Canon story such a success in this region. So let's begin this evening with a big round of applause for yourself. Alright, so I'm Kritika, and yes, I am the same Kritika who does the show on the radio. And now you're thinking, what is she doing here? Isn't this the time that she's supposed to be on the radio? I missed my radio show today, so they're not paying me for one day because I had to be here for the Canon event. I hope the Canon guys are listening. Okay, so this evening, what can you expect? It's going to be a fun-filled evening. We're going to talk about the latest range, the 2014 range of Canon photo, video, and printers, and some exciting entertainment, and of course, the favorite part, at least it's my favorite part, it's going to be your favorite part as well, surprises that are up for grabs this evening. So are we ready? I think we are. Okay, now I'd like to first of all welcome the rock stars of this evening. I think they're the rock stars, and that's why I'm calling them that. A huge round of applause and welcome to Mr. Saleh Khoury. He is the General Manager, National Store. Mr. Atiq Shamsi, the Sales and Marketing Director, National Store. Our guest from Canon Europe, Mr. Tajiri Terunori. Our guest from Canon Inc. Tokyo, Takashi Hanaoka. Mr. Subbu Hariharan, the Sales Director for Canon Middle East GCC. Mr. Jason Rego, the Marketing Manager, Imaging Products in Canon Middle East. Mr. Munkar Ayashi, the Marketing Communications Manager, Canon Middle East. And Mr. Rishi Jam, the Sales Manager for UAE, Canon Middle East. Now, let the evening begin, and of course, we're going to start from the top. I'd like to invite on stage the charismatic, the enigmatic, Mr. Saleh Khoury, the General Manager, National Stores. Please, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. Your staff is very, very particular about the way you pronounce your name. They told me 1,000,000 times, you cannot get the name wrong. It is, you have to say it.
Saleh.
That's the right pronunciation. Thank you. Alright, now that we have the ball rolling, next I would like to call on stage Mr. Subbu Hariharan. He's the Sales Director, Canon GCC. A huge round of applause. Don't be stingy with the clapping. Are you guys hungry already? I hope not. You all heard about the Canon EOS 1200D. It's got some great features, excellent work, congratulations on that. But do you have a feature that can make me look half my size? It's possible? Now we need to clap with this camera because I think it's superb. I have another question. My family knows that I'm hosting the Canon and the National Stores event. And they said, don't come home without a camera. Do you go through this as well?
All the time, especially today, one of my relatives wants to buy not the 1200D with 700D. So sometimes I get worried whether they're asking me for the price or they're asking me as a gift. So that happens all the time.
Alright, so I was very subtly trying to imply, am I going home without a camera?
Well, let's see, depending on your performance today, we shall decide.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so I might be going home without the camera, but y'all are not. I have not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 Canon EOS 1200Ds to give away. So stay awake everybody and pay attention. It's going to pay off big time. Right now it's time for another performance, and the people who are going to perform right now are Colombian. And this is a Colombian performance, and it makes it really special living in this part of the world because we're exposed to such great entertainment. But you guys have to give them a big round of applause. Please. Alright, now let's have some fun. I know you guys are hungry, just hold on a little while more because this is going to be totally worth it. We're giving away not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 Canon EOS 1200D. You want to win this, don't you? Yes, no? Come on, guys. Yes, no? Okay, fine. Only those people who said yes are winning. Don't forget about it. Unless you all say yes loudly. Yes? Corporate guys are really boring, by the way. Okay, moving on. This is what we're going to do. I have 5 games, very simple ones, and we'll make it very quick, okay? Now, the first Canon EOS 1200D will go to someone. Okay, you have to be very quick, huh? You can't be like this. Okay, you have to be very quick, and you have to come rushing to the stage. Come till here. Whoever comes to me the first is going to win. Okay, it's my discretion. Anybody in this hall who has something in their wallet. What is that something? Wait, don't get me wrong. Who has $1. The dollar currency in your wallet. Whoever comes here first. You've got to come here first. Quickly. Okay, please come first. Hang on, let me check. Can't be counterfeit. Okay, he came on stage first. And my God, he has $1. Hi, what's your name?
Keshav.
Keshav, congratulations. You just won yourself a Canon 1200D. A huge round of applause, guys. Come on. Now we have broken up. See, I told you I'm not joking. Okay, Keshav, what do you do? What are you doing here? Oh, okay. So congratulations to you, Keshav. Are you carrying $1?
It's my lucky.
It's your lucky dollar. Okay, well, it is his lucky dollar. So congratulations. Do you want it back? Okay, good. All right. Keep it with you. Congratulations. Do not forget to collect your prize from there. Who is he supposed to collect his prize from? Where are the Canon guys? Okay, here. Oh, such a pretty girl. There you go. It's really lucky for you. Okay, there you go. You will collect your prize. Congratulations once again, Keshav. Are we awake now? Do we want to win? Louder, guys. My God, corporate guys are boring. Okay, moving on. And I thought bankers were boring. You guys are worse. Okay, moving on. I want 3 people on stage to play my next game. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to make you do. When you come on stage, you'll find out. So 3 people. Who wants to win? You can't be from Canada. And stop dragging your friends. You come. Yeah. 3, only 3. Okay, there you go. Okay. Hello. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Rishi Gupta from Sharafi.
Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Fakhruddin,
From?
YT Electronics.
Okay. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Hussain, I'm from Tekbar.
Okay, cool. So, these 3 please don't stick to each other. Thoda, keep some distance. We know you guys are competitors, friends, I don't know. Okay, good. Now this is the game. Who's going to time this? I need someone to time this for me. Volunteer, anybody? My God, okay, there. I like that guy. His wife is sending him messages. He's still volunteering. So sweet. You have to time, okay? Keep time. This is what you have to do. The person who can say the longest Canon is going to win. I'm going to demonstrate. You have to do Canon. Okay, and go on. Okay, so who does the longest is going to win. Are you ready with the stopwatch? Okay, here we go. Your time starts now. Okay, how many seconds? You didn't keep time? 18. Thank God, I got scared. Alright, 18 seconds, not bad. Are you ready? Breathe in. Get ready, okay? And your time starts now. How many seconds? 10. Oh, sorry. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, do you want to loosen your belt or anything? No? Everything okay? Just asking. Okay, your time starts now. And that was good. Congratulations! Sorry guys, sorry Sharaf has won. So congratulations, you get yourself a Canon 1200D. Congratulations. How do you feel? Your wife will be very proud of you. Oh, you're not married? Okay, so 2 gone, 3 more to go. Here we go. The next one. I'm thinking, can you all do it? You guys are very boring. Maybe you guys won't be able to do this. Okay, Chandra, let's try it. I'm looking for someone who can do 25 push-ups on the stage. Oh, what is that? Come on! Such young men over here. You can do it, come. Okay, whoever comes first. Oh my God. Okay. Oh. Okay, that was scary. Okay, so whoever can do now, obviously we can't do 25. Whoever does maximum, get ready for the challenge. Do you want to take off anything?
No.
Just your jacket, please. Okay. Who's going to go first? Okay, what's your name? Hang on.
From Dubai.
Okay, Haisam, let's hear it for Haisam. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Good job. I'm proud of you. Okay, who's going next? Nobody wants to go. Come on. Okay, come on. Hi, what's your name? Nice. Go for it. You have to go right down. You saw how he did it. Okay, don't cheat. I'm watching. Okay, here we go. Your time starts now. Go. 1. No, you have to go down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 26. Good job. Now, sit back. Hi, what's your name?
Man.
Siman, all the best. You think you can do that? 23, yeah? 24 to win. Go for it. 26. Oops, sorry, I'm hungry. Sorry. Happens. Now you guys are awake. To correct me, you guys are awake. But to make some noise, no. Okay. Here we go. 1. No, you have to go down. Completely down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
Thank you so much.
A big round of applause. Alright, so 3 gone, 2 more, but we'll do that a little later. Right now, what you see is their drums placed next to you. You don't have to eat them. Please don't try to eat them, there's dinner. So these are to be played with. Now, what exactly is going to happen? I'm going to leave the stage open and you'll find out.
If you have a drum, just let me hear a round of it. Okay, the best way to play the drum, lift it off the ground, and yes, because if it's not like that, there's no sound. The moment you lift it, the sound comes. Yes, there you go. Alright, in the middle of the drum, that's where you find the bass.